Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to initialize and multiply arrays in PowerShell. So let's start the tutorial. In this video you will learn how to initialize arrays with predefined values and how to multiply them. And this is very useful when you need arrays of a fixed size or you want to prefill with default values. I will show you some examples of how you can do it. So let's start with the basic array initialization. It looks like this. So for example, numbers equals, and right now we have to specify what will be inside of this array. So for me it will be, we will have 5 values, so from 1 to 5. So this is how it works. So how can we, for example, I will clear that, initialize an array with repeated values? So let's say that we want to create an array with only zeros. We can do something like this. So we will name it zeros, and now we will create a new array with 0. This array will contain only 0, we will multiply it by 10. And now if I will print that, I will get 10 zeros. So this is how you can do it. And again, you can do it with every number. So for example, ones, you can create the array like this with 1, and you can multiply it by, for example, 5. By doing this, we will have the array 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So this is, I think, pretty important. How can we initialize a typed array with default values? So let's say that we want to initialize an integer array with a default value. So we can do something like this. So first of all, we have to specify the array type, so it will be the integer. Second of all, we have to name it, so I will name it, for example, not like this, but for example ints, and equals, for example, with zeros and 100 times. What does it mean? We will create 100 integers initialized to 0. And if I release that, as you can see, we are getting 100 zeros right there. And now, how can you multiply arrays with the numbers? We can do something like this. I created this array with 5 numbers at the beginning of the video. How can we multiply it? We can do something like this. So we have to specify the array, and right now we have to do the pipe, and we can do ForEach-Object loop, I would say. So for each object, we'll multiply each value, so like this, by, for example, 2. This is what we can do. As you can see, it is working. We are having 2, 4, because 2 times 2 is 4, and at the end 5 times 2 is 10. How does it work? We are taking basically at the beginning first value, we are plugging this value here, we are multiplying it by 2, and we are printing it, and so on. 2 times 2 is 4, and we are getting the last value at the end, 5. We are plugging it here, and we are multiplying by 2, and we have 10 right there. And this is how it works. How can we use a loop, for loop, the normal for loop for the multiplication? We can do something like this. So we have this array right now. Maybe I will create that. And again, we have this array, as you can see. What we can do for loop like in the normal programming language. So e equals 0, e is less than, and the number's length, and we'll increment I like this. We will close that, and we will open the braces like this. And now every number, every number from the array which we named numbers with the index of I, we will set it to the new numbers with the index of I but multiplied by 2, like this. We can close that, and now we can print numbers, and as you can see, it is working. And now the original array is updated, I will say forever, because this thing with for each loop was only temporary. So as you can see right now, it is working fine. And this is basically all in this video. This is how you can initialize and multiply arrays in PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.